Hi guys, we have another video here, another dad-daughter video, and what we're going to do today is we're going to change this boot lock, because the boot is not opening anymore and we need a boot for school runs, putting school bags, shopping and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how to open boot from inside car. Put this seat down. Of course, if you have the shelf here, you have to take the shelf down, but already I did. And we have the new lock here, so I'm going to demonstrate for you how it works. So we're going to lock it. Yeah. So it's locked now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put my screwdriver here and I'm going to pull it. I'm going to push it to right. Sorry. Yeah, and watch. Open. So the same thing we're going to do here. Of course, you don't need to take the plastic off, the plastic cover off, which I did because I want you to have a better view. So we're going to put this, you can't see that good, so you're going to put your screwdriver right here and push it to right, and here we go, the boot is open. So we have the boot open, and what we do here, we do have there, see right there is 7mm screw, which I already removed. And then I have my daughter here, of course, and she's going to be a cameraman for me. Camera girl, yeah, of course, girl, but we say cameraman, you know what I mean? So she's going to assist me, helping me with the video.
Yeah.
So could you hold the phone?
Hi.
So first we're going to remove this plastic cover.
That's gonna go bye-bye.
Yeah, and you can go from this side, you can, Sophie. See, so I'm going to put screwdriver here, and I'm going to pull it down. That's the one side, and I do the same thing on another. You see, with the police.
So it's like don't leave the other side left out,
yeah,
guys.
so that's okay.
You have to
Now
both make them equal.
We're going to pull this part, yeah, so we will go a little bit back.
Warning, it might explode. Not literally, but like, oh no. I'm gonna go for the other, as you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna show where he just took that off from. Right here on that little soft part, because I have to just step away because before we were doing a little video on a little draft and the whole thing exploded. It didn't go very well.
But now we do the right way, okay?
Yeah, we done it the right way.
So it looks like this way, you see?
Yeah. So those stuff are on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So another
Put
thing.
that there.
T35. Yeah.
T35.
T35. So what do we have here? So we can
And
first
don't get
remove,
that wrong.
so we can remove the connector. We press in here, yeah.
Whatever
Connector,
that is.
yeah. You see? Just press here and pull it. So that's done. And we have 2 screws on each side. They are very, very tight.
Very tight, I guess. I guess it's really tight.
Really tight. So actually I got it wrong. It is T40. It's not T45. T35. T40.
So it's T40.
It's tight, so I'm going to use wrench. I already used that. they really are very tight.
Guys, the things are very, very tight that the wrench literally broke. So what he's doing... Oh! I think he even broke the thing. Never mind, he didn't. But he broke this part, I think. And, yeah, so they're very, very tight.
I can't believe they are tight like that. But slowly, surely. So that's one done, finally. I'm going to replace them anyway. Oh, the pain to get them out, but this is the last one. So we are back again with the 2 new screws. Like the old ones, they are destroyed.
Yeah.
And the reason why we're changing it, you see here, this is the new one. Plastic is there, and here is the plastic is missing. Yeah, so that's why we're changing it. So the new one slides in here, just like that. Just goes in. This one.
I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah.
Okay. Connector goes back. And now we can tie it to the box.
And then you get the key. Locked.
Locked.
Okay, it's locked. Now unlocked.
Locked.
And we've done it! Yay!
Now we can put it back together. Cover.
So now we got the cover.
Goes this way. See, I'm going to slide it in. See? There. Another cover. Just like that. See?
Yeah, yeah. So now you need that cover thing.
Back.
Yay! Oh, we're not done. Okay.
Shell back. And that's done.
Yay!
Good job. Thanks.
Yay! Bye.
Bye. Don't forget the last thing. How I did. The screw has to go back for the cover.